what's up? So, ayun, we're shopping right now and tagatulak ng trolley. So, yeah, ito po yung POV ng isang nagtutulak. Let's help Aisha with buying grapes. Yo sis, say hi to the vlog.
Hi.
Pick the grapes already.
I can't. It's not sweet.
It's not?
No, it's not sour. It doesn't have any taste.
So time check. It's
shake your hands, 1, 2, 3.
the time is already 10:40. 10:40 ah. Like that's late na sa Pinas. But open pa yung mga malls here.
No taste. Little sour.
Bro, your camera is so good. So, one of my favorite, which is grapes, secured na. Now we're gonna buy, what are we gonna buy? What are we looking for?
Cucumber.
Cucumber? I don't eat cucumber. But did you know Ate Angel loves to eat cucumber? There are people behind you.
Yeah, but I was going here, not here.
Damn, your camera is so clear, but it's so close. Wang, 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 wang.
Okay, we're gonna get okra. That you are seeing.
Wow, you know how to pick okra, huh? So, ayan na guys, pumili siya ng cucumber. Wow, the cucumber looks so green! Bro, the camera quality is... wow.
Bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive side eye.
Wow, side eye. Bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive side eye. Sheesh! And that's only for 4 dirhams. $3.99. Yo sis, why do you like cucumber?
Because it's nice and healthy.
What's the sausawan of cucumber?
I use toyo.
Toyo. Yeah. Now we're gonna look for orange. No, that's fine. But I want tangerines.
Okay, the milk one.
You know the one?
Yeah, I know the smallest one.
Yeah.
Yeah, the one like that.
Yeah.
Kaching, kaching.
How? Kaching, kaching.
Now where we go? Here, let's check there.
I don't know where's the tangerines. Hey. My chinelas sa trolley. Oh yeah, like this. Is it tangerine? Does it say?
No, it's mandarin.
It's mandarin. Whoa, watermelons. Wow, you get to actually pick what you want, huh?
Yeah, but this isn't sweet. Look at it. It's not
It looks red.
sweet. It looks red, but it's not that red. And it's expensive.
How much is it?
This is 10-10.
10, 10, 10, 10. So guys, lalagay na Aisha yung watermelon dito. Magpapahabol tayo.
You know, it matches you. Because you're wearing red. So you're basically a watermelon. Bro!
Dun, dun, dun. Put it. Dito guys yung mga isda. Yan. No seafood.
Fish na.
Diba?
Tilapia.
Oh, we did.
For tenderham.
Nice. So now guys, yung mga gulay na inano namin is papatimbang siya. Papatimbang namin siya tapos para malaman kung magkano, di ba?
Yeah.
So yeah, we have to wait in line muna. So ayan, yung mga gulay dyan, yung mga naka-plastic, papatimbang siya dyan. So malaman mo kung magkano. So yeah. Ayan na guys, i-scan na siya. Pinapagalitan yung bata kasi wala siyang manners.
Oo nga.
So now guys, lilipat na tayo ng section, tapos na tayo sa mga gulay and frozen foods. Hahanap tayo ng mga snacks and others food. What's that? I thought it's not nice.
No, I was talking about this one. This one is the
Hindi masarap.
tteokbokki. It's not really that ano. Yeah, it's not that flavorful. And it's
Don't you
also
like the
spicy.
spicy one?
Yeah, but do you want like this?
No.
This is like ramen.
That one.
Which one? This one? This one?
Yeah.
This is noodles. Yeah, sure. Shin noodles. I don't know how much it
Because I
is.
want to vlog for spicy noodle challenge.
Oh yeah, but I don't know how much this is though. Is it spicy though?
I don't know. I feel like we should not buy it.
Why?
I don't know. It feels like it's soft. I feel like this would have been better, bro.
Where?
This one.
Oh!
Right. Sabi ang init. Gusto ko na lang mag-sando. So, yun guys. Tapos na mag-shopping. Time check. 11:13. Ang ganda ng wallpaper natin, no? So yeah, going to the car. Say hi to the vlog, bro. So guys, time check. It's 12:15 AM ng gabi, July 2. Out here in the streets. Yes, sir. Yo, what's up, vlog?
Hi! Hi, girl.
We're gonna buy shawarma. Tapos mag-movie night.